Let's find middle C on your piano. On the piano, we have 2 black notes, 3 black notes, 2 black notes, 3 black notes, 2 black notes, 3 black notes, all the way up the piano. The 2 black notes I call the fork, and the 3 black notes the spade. Below the first note of your fork is your middle C. Where that is on your piano is right in the center of your piano. Right in the middle is your middle C, which we play with the thumb. And that is our first note of the C scale.